Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Uh, Today I will be very short. Honestly, today was a bit shittier price action than yesterday and I didn't take any trades. I decided to sit out even though I saw two trades opportunity today and both could have won. But still no trades. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit down. I am tired. So I will not be long and let's go to the markets. And right now we are looking at ES chart 15 minute. So what did I see when I came to the charts? First of all, we were so several I don't know how to say it right now, my bad. We were overextended to the upside and I expected honestly to see a retracement and I still expect it. Like if not today, tomorrow, honestly even might be expecting for tomorrow and on Friday bearish price section for the rest of the week because we are so overextended and we could see Wednesday make a high of the week. So yeah, I kind of wanted shorts, but also longs were still in the game, if you know what I mean. Basically, we had a lack of draws on liquidity, which is the problem for a very long time now in the market. And honestly, that's mostly because market is right now in a state of accumulation and it's accumulating orders and literally consolidating. As you can see, like this is just a pure consolidation for like past how many? Oh my god, 3 weeks. So we are in state of consolidation. Marketing is accumulating the orders, and it's in those states you just expect market to move a little bit slower and have the less draws on liquidity open for you to take. So yeah, so literally first thing I opened charts and I saw that I don't like price action today and I don't really want to take the trade. Basically what I saw in the London session, we created this London low, and with that London low it swept Asia low. After the sweep of Asia low, it started moving up, which is totally understandable because we had equal highs here with London high, and it needed to be taken out, which it was right on the market open. So on the market open, it takes out the London high. We also had high impact news at 10, so I didn't want to trade before those news. If I did, I would have had a winning trade on NQ, winning short, if there were no news. But basically, NQ also swept on the market open this London high, and it left this London low, same as ES. Uh, and we have this 4-hour fair value gap. What I saw is this break of structure on 5 minute, and on 1 minute there was this 1 minute fair value gap that if I would have took a short off of, stop loss would be up here, and my partial would be on this low, like 1 to 2, because we had bunch of trend line liquidity, and the final TP would be on a London low, which all got hit, but only because of news. I didn't take this trade honestly. So that's one missed trade, and I honestly am glad that I didn't take it because if I did, even if I won, I mean it's just gambling because news are, yes, they will push the market in the direction that it should go and it wants to go, but they can also have a really big manipulation before they push the market in that direction. So I can easily get stopped out and then going to those take profits, and it's not in my interest to take those trades. I don't want to gamble like that. Anyways, after that, what I see, NQ swept London low, reacted from it, new day opening gap also, but ES didn't sweep London low. So we have SMT. Okay. Also big rejection, new day opening gap. Also on 1 minute, there is this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. It got inversed almost immediately. I mean, immediately after it got created. And then another 1 minute bearish fair value gap got disrespected. And I was like, damn, that's looking good. Not gonna lie, like higher time frame SMT, these fair value gaps getting disrespected. Like I was thinking about taking long, and then I literally saw 1 minute fair value gap forming, and I was like, bet this would be my long position. Uh, I would take here somewhere here. Probably I would aim for this to be my first partial. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, because sometimes I can get greedy. However, this would be my take profit, full take profit on previous week high, because if we are going up there, there is nothing much more than higher time frames to take than other than previous week high, which was little ambitious, and as you can see, market was consolidating throughout the whole day. But the reason I didn't take this trade, let me explain actually before that. Basically, as I said, this would be my first take profit, but once this happened, this retrace after getting that close, I assumed that I would get my first take profit here on this, and it wouldn't stop me out on break even. So it would be a winning trade, and then it would stop me out in break even. It never reached previous week high, as I said, a little bit ambitious. And market was consolidating throughout like whole day, literally since yesterday. Like it just been in this box over here, like this was the consolidation, like a little bit higher here. Yeah, this was the range that it's playing, and as I said, it's accumulating orders, and I can understand that. Right now, it's not my favorable for my strategy. My strategy works best when market is trending, reversing, and having moves. While it's consolidating, I just can't find a good trade. I mean, I can, for example, this would be a good trade, but I wouldn't go nowhere with that trade except that partial, and that's even maybe. Uh, so someone's strategy may be working in these times, mine is not, and I need to understand that and face that and wait for the better price action for me, favorable price action for me. I can say like price action is shit. Okay, it is shit, but it moves how it should move, and price action is not following our rules, my strategy or anyone else. We should follow our rules, and when market gives opportunity to execute, you take it. When it's not giving you opportunity to execute, you are not taking any opportunities, and you are just sitting side by side and waiting. So yeah, the real reason why I didn't take this trade is this 5 minute bearish fair value gap right here. Even though we reacted, we had SMT, we created relative equal lows with London low with this, and I was like, yeah, it should probably go higher. But as I said, we were already overextended to the upside, and realistically speaking, I was expecting market to retrace at least to this 4 hour fair value gap. So it's like it left relative equal lows with London low, and you can see what happens when it's equal high with London high. It got swept really fast, and market is trading towards those throws on liquidity really aggressive. And I was like, yeah, it's looking more like a long, but also there is a high possibility that this fair value gap can uh, put price down here, deliver price right here underneath these lows, potentially to this 4 hour fair value gap, and then continuing higher. Obviously, it didn't happen. We never reached these draws on liquidity, but we didn't reach even this. So yeah, I'm honestly glad that I didn't take any of these two trades today. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Uh, just because I now see that I have uh, some self discipline to some extent, and it's really reassuring to me. Uh, I started this month really good with one win, and right now I'm keeping it. I didn't lose today, so yeah. As I always tell, if anyone made it here, if you want to follow my journey on day trading, subscribe to this channel because I will post everything. I will keep you updated. Like the video and type something nice in the comments. I appreciate you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow after the markets.